this morning we went over to Coyote Canyon, check it out, let the dogs have a run, and to our surprise, somebody fixed some of the road. The hard part that we was trying to get into, couldn't take a horse trailer in because there was a rock right in the way. Somebody cleaned it up. I don't think it was the BLM land people, because they don't do nothing. They took that area over in other areas too, and they just let it go to pot. They let the roads wash out, and they don't do nothing for the land. And our county used to keep it all up, keep the trails, roads up. It was really nice. But somebody went in there and cleaned up where you can at least get in there. But the mouth of Coyote Canyon is still blocked. We can't get in there. Some people do if you got a high enough truck, but our trucks are not high enough. So we went down there to check and see if maybe somebody did work there, and they didn't. So we decided to go on to another road, go south to another canyon, and it has water in the other canyon. So we was going down the road, and it got washed out, but they kind of fenced it off, somebody did, and put big old boulders in there on the creek, and it'll show that. I just hate when people try to block you out of public land. I don't know what their thinking is, but anyway, I'll show that. Then we finally left that area and went to another one to let the dogs do some hiking. But at least we were glad they fixed that hard spot. Somebody really did a good job. I just want to tell you about, we went over Coyote Canyon and messed around. Our favorite place is back in that canyon. There's a water hole. We always like to stop, let the dogs out and play. But since the BLM took over, we can't get back in there because of that choke point. It's too rough for us to take our truck. We could ride a horse in there alright, but not the truck. Anyway, I'll show you what we did. Well, we come to check out this road going to Coyote Canyon, and somebody come in here and clean the road up. Now we can bring a horse trailer in here. Yay! Man, that's great. We're so happy. Oh boy, this is so much better. This is great. Well, it's a little steep there, but you should be able to get the trailer up it.
Yeah, we'll have to get shoes back on the horses.
Yeah, nice. I wish they did it at that mouth of that canyon.
Yeah.
No, we still can't get in there. This isn't fixed. They didn't come down this far. It might have been just somebody fixing it. But at least a horse trailer can come in to a certain point. Yeah. We was really hoping they fixed this part. Once you get past this, it looks like easy going. That's what's stopping us. So we're skirting the foothills, going down this way to another canyon. Well, we're not gonna be able to get through. What is it, Tiger? A monster? The road washed out, and since the BLM took over this area, they pretty well let everything fall apart. So, we was planning on going all the way down and hooking up into another canyon over there. Well, shoot. So we'll have to take the dogs somewhere else. They even blocked the creek.
They was going in here and going around. BLM probably done this.
Yeah, probably did. Let's keep the people out. And then they piped this off good. Nobody can go that side.
This is a pretty new repair here. These things get washed out all the time. This just water from a water trough or a well up that way.
Well, that's too bad.
They might stop four-wheelers, they ain't gonna stop horse.
I know. A horse, you can ride around that on a horse. Well, you can't stop four-wheelers. They just go up the hill and around.
Four-wheelers just go up somewhere else and go around. They'll make a trail.
Yeah. Going down here, take a look at the water tanks. See if they're still keeping it up.
It's full.
Yeah.
I don't know if Lil will still jump in there.
He
He might.
might. Oh. Oh. He's getting older. He's hot right in there.
Blue always jumps in them big tanks like that.
Yeah.
Cool down.
Sonny, jump in there. Get in there, Sonny. So I ain't getting in that thing.
Blue's real hot natured.
He is. Oh boy.
He got it all to himself.
Mm-hmm.
Sonny, come on, Sonny. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Sonny.
No.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
He says, no way.
Come on, let's go. Come on, here. You big old coward.
If he was really hot, he probably would.
Yeah.
Yeah, Blue, you might have to help him. Oh, good, Blue. Woo! Water?
He knows how to
Yeah. He still got it.
I've seen him do that in the wintertime.
Yeah. Wasn't that a big tractor tire or whatever? Yeah, and people put this in here for animals so they won't drown. I think that is so nice.
Yeah.
Find a way to get out of there.
Yeah, the squirrels and rabbits. We found dead ones that don't have that
Yeah.
step up there.
Found all dead squirrels.
Yeah, a lot of dead
They
squirrels.
couldn't get out.
That tank up there east of us, there's water there too. It's a smaller trough, but there's water.
Yeah.
And we go in behind that with the horses.
A trail going that way.
You can go on either side of that little round hill. It's kind of dicey on the left. On the north side, it's a drop off into a deep canyon. You got to have a good horse to go through there. They got to be not jittery. And we go in and go on up through that main canyon there behind them hills.
Yeah, up
and then go
up
down,
in there.
Yeah, and then go south to that butte with the flat top on it. And on the other side of it is the one I was talking about. It's got there's a spring down in the canyon behind it. Then we usually come back this road.
And all this land right past this fence on this side, it's probably been about 12 years. They poisoned the heck out of these this brush. They killed. It was such a large area. It had to be a plane, but it looked like death. And it just shows you can't fight nature. It's going to come back on you.
Mesquite beans.
Yeah, they're starting to grow.
They're flat right now. They're not much to them, but they're starting to come out.
And they still putting blooms out. And take a look. There should be a way down, maybe. Used to be a way down. I was wanting to walk in the creek with them. I might be able to get down right through there if I'm careful. Well, we're following a cattle trail, and they'll take you the easy way. So we're going to see about that. Sonny's been running all over the place.
That's a drop off right there.
It is a
Getting into
drop off, yeah.
creek bed, but they found a way to get down probably right here.
The animals will show you the way. That's pretty easy.
Creek coming out of Coyote Canyon.
Yeah, this is the creek coming out of Coyote Canyon. We just wouldn't let the dogs run around. Sonny's been going and going and going.
Rockhound Creek.
Yeah. No bad problem about rock hounding now. You have to watch out for rattlesnakes.
Yeah.
Did you want to walk down that way?
No.
I brought the dogs out here one time after this was a fresh flood. It looked all different. That was a new channel. This was old, but the flood took it off that way. Yeah, it looks like an easy place to go up. Very sunny. I think he needs another horse ride.
He does. I've been thinking about it.
Blue, he found some kind of bone, so he was a tiger eating on the bone.
Yeah, they'll eat nasty things out here. It's kind of hard to keep track of them. We kind of let them run a little bit. I don't like when them get too far away from us. But, if I see them getting old bones, I try to stop them. But,
Yeah,
especially little like chicken bones or bird bones.
we're gonna have to see what tigers got. It is a small bone.
No, no. Hey, no. Put that down. Put it down. Bell. Bell. Hey.
Belle, are you being ornery?
No.
Oh,
Put
Belle.
that down. No, you don't need that.
Oh. Daddy, that's my bone.
No.
So we're just walking up the creek, let the dogs run around.
That's that quartz,
Oh, yeah.
like a crystal.
Yep.
It's pretty common.
Yeah, there was this one rock I found. I wish I saved it. It was so shiny. When it hit the sun, it just lit up real good. I laid it back down.
Blue.
Well, he got another bone.
Hey.
Oh, he's so happy.
No.
Oh,
On. Blue, no. Wait.
Blue's finding bones.
Tiger.
Come on.
Blue.
Blue's hungry this morning. Yeah. Look at all these shotgun shells. They was up there shooting, I guess.
Yeah, that's where the truck was up there.
Should be nice if they would clean up their mess,
They're
so
shooting these.
yeah,
These clay pigeons.
yeah. The Sonny's gone. So we're just gonna walk down here until we find a way up.
Right there, that's where the cows go down too.
I was looking at that a while ago.
Yeah, they're milling around right there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not too bad.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Well, that's why I didn't want to come down it.
What do you want to do?
Go down yonder. Had to call for Sonny though. There he is. Oh boy. This is what happens on the ditch by our house. These fall down. You have to watch it. They like concrete. And look at this is interesting. Here's the mesquite bush. That's why they can't poison the mesquite out, because they can't poison the roots, so it comes back.
It just won't travel that far.
But they keep going and try to find water. Sonny disappeared again.
Yeah.
He's got lots of energy.
It's not really.
Oh, I know it's not gold. Bill says that there's some gold there. Just got a lot of different stuff in it. Wish that was a big old rock of gold.
Sonny,
Sonny, come on.
let's go, Sonny.
He wants to run.
You hear that noises over there.
We're just going to go down here and see if we can find a place to get up. If we can't, we'll head back. Yeah, there's a lot of bird holes there.
Yeah. We happened onto them in another canyon a long time ago, and there was 2 young ones sitting on a shelf about like that. Remember, there was water in there?
Baby owls?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they were pretty good size.
They were. They were so cute.
They'd just come out of the nest and they couldn't hardly fly.
And they was trying not to look at us.
Yeah.
That was so cute. Well, maybe we could go up this way.
Yeah, we can get up right here, maybe. I can.
I know. It looks kind of steep.
Might have to leave you out here.
I'll walk up that way. These creeks are so pretty. I don't know. That's gonna be a climb.
Right here would be the best
Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna take a look here before we turn back and see.
Yeah, right here we can get up. We'll run up this thing.
Okay. Well, I appreciate y'all coming by, going on a hike with us from out west Homestead. Looks like we'll be able to get up here. If you're ever in the flash flood coming, you'd have to run, get out of it, find a place to get up. Yeah.
Honey. Go up at an angle.
Oh, down farther might be easy. Oh my gosh. I don't know. We'll probably go up right down here. Well, you did have to get back down. I would caught up with you. Look at that.
I'm running pretty fast.
How wonderful that is. Out here in the dry desert.
Desert willows right here.
Oh yeah, here's a desert willow.
Oh, it smells good too. Smells like a china berry a little bit.
And that's what I was wanting in the first place.
Smell of it. It smells like a china berry somewhat.
Boy, it smells so good. Yeah. I wanted,
this.
yeah, the ones I was wanting. Hey, I think I can get up in there.
We only come 10 miles.
No.
Let's see, go this time. Sonny,
Sonny! He wants to go. He's getting pretty good about coming back.
Sonny, no, no, no. Come on, back over there.
Oh, there he goes. Yeah, you can't. You just got lots of energy.
There's more desert willows all out in there.
Oh yeah, there he is. When we used to live by the foothills, I'd have Maggie the donkey and some dogs with me. We'd go all over the place. Creek beds, hill climbing. Maggie always liked to get off and look. She always liked the views.
There's a whole portion of them right there.
Oh yeah.
Look at them.
Okay. Look, a little grove of willows. And if I had them in my garden, oh, with all the smelling good, the bees would love it. Well, a whole lot. They're a more ugly tree, but they can stand the desert.
Well, they got a good smell, good.
Yeah, they're excellent smell.
Yeah.
Real pretty. I better take one more sniff. Mmm. I didn't even know they were over here. I guess we hadn't walked over here. Yeah.
Coming up from the roots.
No, it's hard to find babies on them. That's why I never got them, because I never find babies. And if they got babies, any size at all, their roots are probably deep. That's making a creek. Looks like somebody done some work through here. Yeah.
Warm up.
Yeah, getting hot. Time to head home. The dogs, they still had a good time looking around, walking. They need to get out once in a while. See, Blue, he's still the trail dog. Son hadn't got that message yet. He goes all over. Yeah, you better get up there, boy. Well, there's the truck. Well, we're getting closer. It still has a cool feeling out here this morning, but it's warming up. It was real cool early.
You know, wind's out of the north a little bit.
Yeah. Got some firewood.
Yeah. I'll keep somebody from running over the tree.
Well, maybe Sonny got tired. Because he's running a lot more than anybody else.
Staying close now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if I want some water.
Yeah, I bet they do want water. Waiting for some water. Tiger, you want some water?
So this up here first.
Watch him, he'll knock it off.
No, get back.
don't think she'll drink with him.
Hey, Bill.
Want some water, Bill?
Oh, yeah.
Just don't stay in your hand. Of course he wants your water. Need some more water.
Watch it, Tiger. There you go. You want some more, Bill? Here, hey. Want some more, Tiger?
There we're gonna go back that way, head home. Thanks for coming by. Bye. Well, at least we're happy that somebody cleaned this up. A little steep here, but it's a lot better than what it was.